Nasarawa State Governor Engineer Abdullahi Sile has expressed readiness to partner with relevant FCT authorities to fast-track the trials of inmates at the Keffi Correctional Center, many of whom have cases pending in Abuja court. The governor made the commitment on Wednesday during a visit to the facility a day after 16 inmates escaped in a jailbreak.
But they were able to get 7 of them back.
Yes, sir.
So far, 9 of them are still at large, and there was no fatality, but they actually injured some of the correctional center officials, and those ones are receiving treatment.
While interacting with officials and inmates, Governor Sule decried the congestion caused by prolonged trial delays and charged inmates to maintain good conduct to improve living conditions. He directed the immediate supply of 500 mattresses after observing that many inmates were forced to sit on bare floors.
From what you see, there are regular jailbreaks across the country. But for us to have that, I wanted to know what happened. Is it because of their welfare? Is it because of other reasons? Or because of the kind of building where they are staying? So I came to realize, number one, that majority of the inmates here are actually those awaiting trial at the courts at FCT. They are not awaiting trials at our courts here in the state. But it is our responsibility actually to contact the officials of the FCT, and to see how best we can address that. And I intend to do that.
He praised correctional officers and other security agencies for recapturing some of the escapees and urged citizens to remain vigilant and report suspicious individuals. The Nasarawa State Controller of Corrections, Charles Wayagoron, briefed the governor on how the jailbreak occurred.